Please welcome contingent number 3, Municipality of Lopez-Zaina with the ritual baptism. Subano is the regional terminology for Suban. They are a group of original settlers in Zamboanga Peninsula, Misamis Occidental in the central and western Mindanao, south and southwestern Philippines. The Subanos regularly move from one location to another to clear worn forests for fields. They cultivate crops, with rice as the most important crop, but they are also known to raise livestock, including pigs, chickens, cattle, and water buffaloes. Subanon houses are built along hillsides and ridges, overlooking family fields. The homes are usually rectangular and raised on stilts with thatched roofs. Subanon rituals, usually religious and spiritual, are based mainly on the basic duality of mortal and supernatural realms, with a complex system of interrelationships between these two cosmic realities. Subanons are animists who believe in spirits who are part of nature. Supernatural beings are said to inhabit peculiar places and objects which are considered handiwork of the gods, such as an old balete tree. Huge odd-shaped rocks and mounds of each earth, caves, rivers, streams, and mountains. Baptism rituals, kinubata, are officially concurred. Ladies and gentlemen, from the well-known mud clay makers of figurine and decorative jars, suppliers of Amakan bamboo wave wool and bamboo furniture to present in the ritual presentation, Kinubata Baptism from the municipality of Lopez-Zaina.
Excuse me, please. video ko. Wow, hindi ko na ako. Ayan, paraday.